Here we are at step 1 of element 3, which is all about focusing on your information and just keeping it simple. You've already created your content structure within element 1, and then you've created all of your information that's required within element 2, which means all you need to do now is put it into your sales funnel framework and get it out into the world. Hi, my name is Christian Fumick and welcome to Fresnel Evergreen and the Growth Funnel Journey. This channel's all about helping you learn how to create the perfect lead magnet and the perfect sales funnel for your business. By focusing on your information, you'll be able to build a solid foundation that will get your content in front of the right audience, which frees up your time to be laser focused on attracting organic search traffic and your social media advertising. Now that your content is laser focused on your one thing, problem or topic at the forefront of your sales lead's mind, you will only attract ideal clients and filter out all the tire kickers. This allows you to fill your sales funnel with sales leads who are searching for the solution that's going to help them achieve their end desired result. And that solution is going to be the right product or service that you deliver to them. To make sure this happens and you convert your sales leads into ideal buying clients, we've created 12 critical conversion focal points. Each one of these conversion focal points plays a critical role in your overall success of your sales funnel. We also include a funnel tracker system that makes it fast and easy to track each of these conversion focal points as your sales leads pass through your sales funnel, allowing you to make the necessary changes if needed to avoid any bottlenecks and make sure that you're always converting at your highest percentages. You should never make an educated guess about your product or service when you first take it online. It's basic economics. The most successful businesses are those who offer solutions where there is already demand. Without that demand, there are no sales. You're about to leverage a one-to-many online digital marketing sales funnel. Therefore, you can't afford to spend countless hours creating content, designing websites, building email campaigns, planning webinars without knowing if your sales leads will provide you with their email address and buy from you. Once your sales leads start clicking on your social media advertising, signing up to get your information, opening your emails, consuming your information, and then wanting more, only then will you have gained the clarity and the insight to know that you've validated your one thing messaging and have the proof to move forwards and start converting your sales leads into ideal buying clients. So let's jump over to the next video. But before we do, if you have any questions about this content, leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We are committed to providing you with the very best lead magnet and sales funnel learning experience. And it's all available on our website, so go check us out. I've also included links below this video in the description area to our free ebook guide that comes with a free introduction course that covers everything that you need to know. Okay, so thank you for letting us be a small part of your learning experience. The truth is, sales is a numbers game and a conversion game, and we help you increase your sales leads numbers so you get more conversions, and that's how you're going to grow your business. Okay, thank you. Talk soon.